Are you just starting out on your YouTube journey and looking for a high quality microphone to take your videos up to the next level? Look no further than the BM800. The BM800 is a condenser microphone that offers professional grade sound at an affordable price. With its wide frequency response and high sensitivity, it captures every detail of your voice, making it perfect for vlogging, podcasting, and even streaming. When you are just starting out a YouTube channel, audio quality should be the first factor you pay attention to. This is because audiences will tolerate bad video quality, but they will not tolerate bad audio. By having a high quality microphone, it will improve your overall audio quality of your videos. The setup process for the BM800 can have two parts to it. The first is to use the cable included, an XLR to 3.5mm audio cable. However, this can result in a lot of static noise in the audio because there is no proper interface to isolate the noise and provide the microphone with the power it needs. An example of an interface that can be used to improve the audio quality of the BM800 is the Behringer Euphoria UM2 audio interface. The UM2 and BM800 are known to be a match made in heaven as they work perfectly together. The UM2 interface also offers a 48V phantom power, which is perfect for all condenser microphones on the market, giving you a huge upgrade path down the line. If you want more information on the Behringer Euphoria UM2 audio interface, you can click on the card above right now to see my full review of it. In conclusion, if you're just starting out your channel, getting the BM800 microphone and an interface will definitely improve the audio quality of your videos and give you enough headroom to upgrade in the future. This setup is not only for YouTube but can be also used for podcasts and streaming. I hope this video gave you all the information you need on the microphone and allowed you to make the right purchasing decision. That is all from me, and have a nice day, folks.